How many here have not been here before? Okay, so I think I haven't taken you around. Have you had a look?
I've had a look.
All right, okay. So basically, we're doing a new session we haven't done before. It's called the Modern Ops. And so bear with us. There'll be a few hitches probably here and there, but we have a lot of new equipment. Plus, we've opened up some new trackage, which hasn't been used before as well. One of which can be seen. It's called the Port Dibble area, and it's down in the back. One of which is Hell Yard. And if you're told to go to hell, well, that's where you're going. And Hell Yard is subterranean. And the way we're going to work that is that we will have one of us in there. You're welcome to come down on your hands and knees and join if you want to. It's a long way in, it's a long way out, so in terms of train operation. It's a one-way yard. Trains come in one direction and go out in the other. The reason for that is loaded trains come in on a fairly steep grade, and when they go out as loaded trains, they go up a gradual grade in terms of how trains are assigned. And I was looking for Steve, Tim, and Steve. Are you here?
Yep.
Yeah. Steve, if there's any consist problems with locomotives, Steve will be the guy that will handle that and fix it up. But we think we're in pretty good shape. They're all poor man consist. In other words,
Similarities
locomotives.
to what the classic operations used to run. We run with the schedule. Ultimately, we're going to end up with waybills. So you're going to see some things that are very common that if you've operated before here, you're going to see the same type of thing. The schedule is done in a 24-hour time clock. We are not running on a fast clock because if we're going to have enough people here, it's going to be busy as is. Those people that pick up, that work in the yards, we have block card sheets that are in each of the yards. And right now, you'll have to hand fill out because I just didn't have time to get waybills made up. That is something that is going to come down in the future. So the block cards are labeled for the respective routes that you can run on. Fredericksburg, Fiddle Yard, Larkin Falls, Charleston. So the train sheets for out of Nicholas, there's a yard instruction sheet that says, okay, these are the type of trains that are running with the general builds of types of cars in each of the yards that we have here. So we have Charleston, Nicholas, Larkin Falls. Fredericksburg is an Amtrak / work support yard, which we just got up and running, and we also have the Fiddle Yard. So those are the main areas. There's a lot of unit trains that are going to be running through. There's a lot of switching that runs out of Nicholas and Charleston, as well as Larkin Falls. So there's going to be a lot of things going on. The trip sheets are, I've tried to keep it working on the KISS method. Everything you should need is on there. On your local sheets, you'll see a P and a D, and they're in a blue ink format, and there's a card that's assigned for a pickup or the Nicholas and the Fiddle Yard. So use your best judgment. Speeds. There's a recommended speed, use your best judgment. Okay?
You don't want to get there too fast.
You don't want to get too fast. Amtrak trains have priority. They're considered the superior train. And there are Amtrak trains that are floating around to be done. I think anybody that works the yards, if you have tank cars that are considered hazmat on the outer tracks, that's where they park. So if they're in the inner, they might be empty, they might be carrying something else.
Outer track and in the yards, outer track is defined as the track farthest away from the main.
There's a coat rack right outside the door here.
We ought to begin the ceremony with a moment of silence for those RailRun members who opted to go to Stan Ames.
615275.
Chassis, six. We need all 6 of those chassis.
Or what?
You may want to pull the.
We're gonna pull one of these coil cars too, right? You need a coil car? Cylinder car?
Yes.
Well, let's take the Santa Fe. 91,926. I hear what you're saying.
Well, but they can't.
Light cars have to go on the back end. If you read your instructions, light cars have to go back on the back end. So those actually have to go on the back end.
Can I ask how come you're putting it in there?
I'm throwing what I think should throw that switch. I'm pressing it. Nothing? Nothing. Okay, throw the switch that's east of that. That's it. I'm throwing that. I got no one on the I can't hear you. Alright, I just threw Folly, and that came on. But I didn't hear it go here. So let me throw it back again. Yeah, go ahead. You hear it? No.
No.
I have no idea where it is. I'm throwing.
Store 1, there's traffic coming up the hill that will be parking next to you. Let me know when he does.
You took passing A or now?
Thank you. That's good eyesight to see that far.
Yeah. Yeah, considering it's 100 miles away.
And you get a cigarette later on top of you. What did you say it was clear coat blue?
That's what I built that as before.
How you doing? Not bad. I had a couple of little minor glitches, but we're doing good. I'm good with Stewart, right?
Yeah.
So it'll be a little bit far. I'm almost top of the ridge now.
You did get your drops in Charleston, right?
It said I had none.
There should have been there should have been.
Oh, he told me I didn't have it.
There was some sheets back there he was supposed to add to you.
Careful, just kind of like stay kind of back so that, you know, I don't get you in my video. But if you look at it so far.
Okay, well, newbies.
Let me go get Dave and get those sheets for you. So, yeah, what's going to go, that would have gone to Charleston is going to give Nicholas and this and send it back.
Oh, that's a sweet shot.
Oh, yeah.
Where the CNLE is?
Yes.
So what does your thing say? You gotta stop in Stewart?
It's not working. I'm not gonna come next year.
Yep, you'll be right on the bottom of here. Yeah, you can stop.
Yeah. Alright. Let me see if I can get under this.
1814. Rocket ball. Dispatch, MI 354, SI 354, holding in standby for instructions. That work at Johnson. Also, no work at Johnson. Do you know about how many cars you are?
We knew it was going to look silly. Not cost 700 CSX copies.
Yeah. Yeah, you'll have to excuse the,
What's this book for?
I was rail fanning in Worcester, Mass. one day. The wind came and knocked down my tripod and cracked the lens like that. The good thing is the main lens is fine. It's just the viewing window.
Yeah.
So we can put that on the memory
I
stick?
remember one time I was in Springfield, and the woman got excited, and her husband was out shooting a train like this,
Yep.
and she backed right over the goddamn thing.
Oh,
He
no.
said, he said,
on up and then get on that. I've got you all the way back here.
Got MKT 154 for power gen. We can take them. MKT 154, when you arrive at Grady, contact with guard for the power station.
Roger, 154.
It's like I know exactly where that is. Middle yard dispatch. Middle yard, did you get the auto accident? They had
This end of no, you're on the main, it's the bottom one here.
Yeah, okay, so I'm all
There.
okay.
Now my next
We get no passengers and no flag.
Okay, so you're here. I'm here. You're here. Okay, down there. Yeah, we were working here. I know we missed it.
Until the helper shows up and I give you permission.
Helper is coupling up now.
MKT 154 to dispatch.
Come on up.
MK Stage power ready to depart, Nicholas. Oh, the excitement never stops, does it? Yes. That's MKT 154. AMT 14
AMT 14.
T14, where are you?
Slayton?
Thank you, sir. Call me when you get the code.
AMT 14 clear.
Find that little devil. Hey, John, we're gonna have to criticize you.
Oh no, what did I do now?
You didn't operate that turnout.
Yes, I did.
That one right there.
Yeah,
No, you didn't.
yeah, I did.
We'll talk about it.
You were behind the scenes. Come out there. That's behind the scenes.
You know which one it is?
I'll just spray them all. Oh, I see the car. It's a spinner.
What?
It's a spinner.
Oh, the, Alright, now log it off. Only a couple of cars.
Should have went into a murder.
Okay, permission granted with the
I'll tell you as soon as I'm done.
POST 201.
Good to hear from you.
Terminated in Hill Yard.
Roger, thank you. UM 202? Oh, okay.
Okay, I'm clear.
Yes, that's those. I'm just being notified that your tactical boost on
POST 201?
You know, the biggest challenge here is when you kind of look at a tunnel, where's it coming out?
Well, it does come out eventually.
Yeah. Thanks, guys.
David, you guys are still stuck in the Chicago loop? So what do you want? Oh, the helper's on my dog.
What I'm hearing,
Yes, sir.
what I'm hearing,
Oh, we're working right here.
It's the guy that sets the standards in the club. That's his train.
KT 154 here.
He lost it.
Contact your destination.
Passing through Fredericksburg and heading for Fort Dibble.
Roger, thank you.
That was good.
Yeah. Not fun at that.
Maybe the chassis is the same as the body.
You're sitting up on top of the rig. That's correct. Stop the transfer your things out to here, and we'll get somebody over to take your drink.
Well, he was coming around the corner.
I'm good. Thanks, thanks for what you hold in your control. Will do. I'll get in there and call you.
Don't have the bypass, did you see it? So we just switch to the... It's got flat over there.
Just crossing the big bridge.
West, because we're heading west, so I believe that's what it means. That's all. Water gap in the west direction. That can't. Huh? The screwdriver
Yeah, that one needs to be built. Yep.
I'd have to look for
Because it's supposed to be picking up coal.
Oh, what's nice about that?
Coal going to the port too. But that coal hasn't gotten down the hill yet.
What other material I might be able to. Well, you might be able to have them put a polycarbonate layer on the back. Why couldn't you just do masonry? You could, but masonry doesn't
Right now, wasn't if they have strings on the extra 29 would probably be crazy because they send it on way early. Well, it's a local here. The transfer on that could use transfers over there.
Throw that switch line and switch out and remove that passenger tower. Mike, can I get an assistant over here? Everyone? Alright, so what we can't figure out, we're gonna send the coal over, then if you want, we'll grab that other train that's sitting over, there's a train ready to go, we come back here. Okay. We'll send this one over, send that one back, and then we'll send the second section over. The one that's coming back is that 10 on the cars. I would have, I have no clue. Someone said there's a train ready to come in. Okay. What? Oh, wait, that's right. Can you, John, out here, and just, I'm gonna move that Amtrak power up. Okay, that's fine.
I'm taking 6054 or 6056.
Yes. Mike, can you bump that Amtrak unit? Never mind. But I need you to, can you just switch tracks there?
And what happens if our rail fanner gets hit and dies? Call the legal department.
Take the body, drag him off someplace into the woods.
Stick him in there. That's why we have to.
You have a steel.
That's a video camera, by the way.
Okay, put her.
Uh-oh, looks like we have a derailment.
Hold on a little bit. We're good now. You stop again, or you stop? No, I stop.
East. Water gap east.
Then you'd be on the eastbound lane.
Yeah.
Because you said a minute ago you were going to take the yard lead.
Well, that's what it said before, and he just said, no, carry on, so.
Okay.
You got us on the main? East Main? We're on the East Main, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
No, stop. Stop.
I gotta get control of my cab first. That's
You're not on the eastbound.
no, throw me over there, Brian. No, that's
No, he's not thrown.
oh no, that one. No, that's a crossover.
I'm sorry, you're right.
That's okay.
I was looking at the other.
Yeah.
Sorry, my bad.
That's okay. We would have found out quick.
I can't always believe the lights.
Correct. We are doing that.
Which is the
All
eastbound.
right, let's see if we can find that little devil. Hey, John, we're gonna have to criticize you.
Oh no, what did I do now?
You didn't operate that turn.
Yes, I did.
That one right there. Yeah. No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
We'll talk about it.